So, have you ever felt like you sat in the front of your screen, you opened your laptop and you've refreshed your Gmail and felt like very sinking heart ki yesterday only I've applied so many jobs, but still there is no interview call, no email. And maybe you have already given some interview, but then you are quite sure कि अब तो email आ जाएगा, and then there is all silence. And I totally relate to this. और ये आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को इतना ज़बरदस्त हिट करता है, क्योंकि मैं खुद इसी फेज से निकल चुकी हूँ. Even having the degrees, even having the experience, and still felt like कि I'm invisible after my break. Or again, I always say that confidence is not something that you are born with. It's a skill. You can learn it. Okay. It's not that something which you are born with. Okay. और इस वीडियो में I will show you step by step using some stories, some real time stories of the workplace, so that you can relate to this video, okay, and watch till the end. Just because I am going to share a lot of steps in this video. Now, Indian offices may, I've felt this, that people around you, they say that don't talk about so much about your achievements. लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगता. Okay, and we are told कि stay humble, keep your heads down, let the work speak. And you know what, when there is a time for a promotion or for a job interview, no one remembers your hard work. Okay, no one, if you don't remember it. Okay, and that's when इतने सारे सेल्फ डाउट शुरू हो जाते हैं अंदर से. And that happens to all of us. Okay, now let's understand कि इसको करेक्ट कैसे करना है. Now, number one thing is audit your wins. So maybe you can write it down. Audit your wins. So you have worked late night, or आजकल MNCs में, Big Fours में, I've heard a lot people work late and like 16 hours a day and just to close a client deal, or maybe there is some urgent assignment, and then maybe you have handled angry client on a call, or you have negotiated well, and maybe आपके मैनेजर ने बोला good job done, and that day it happens, and the next day you forget about it because हमें लगता है कि जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ योर जॉब. ओके, ऐसा ही होता है, राइट? बट यू नो, द थिंग इज दैट दैट इज अ विन. दैट इज अ विन एंड इट मैटर्स. Okay, so the thing here is, the step here is, write down 10 such moments on a pen, and take a pen and paper and just write it down. Write it down 10 such moments, and you will be easily collecting these moments from thinking about when you solved a problem. Okay, you might have solved a problem maybe internally, or client की कोई problem solve किया आपने. Maybe you have supported a team member, maybe you have saved some time. Okay, or maybe you have closed a work under so much of pressure. ये सारे टास्क नहीं हैं, ये सारे आपके, वो कहते हैं ना, एविडेंस हैं कि यू ब्रिंग इन द वैल्यू. और कॉन्फिडेंस वहाँ से शुरू होता है व्हेन यू रिकॉग्नाइज योर एक्सीलेंस, योर ग्रेटनेस. ओके, देन नंबर टू इज विजुलाइज योर कम बैक स्टोरी. विजुलाइजेशन बहुत ही अच्छा टूल है, और आई हैव पर्सनली यूज दैट, and it changes the whole game. Think of this like you are having a old colleague with you, and you feel, you hear that, or you see a post of new job update on LinkedIn about him or her. Okay, and you feel quite happy, but at some subconscious mind में हमें लगता है कि we are left behind. Yeah. And it happens, it really happens. Or maybe not at LinkedIn, but you have heard from one of your friend ki, this girl or this boy has achieved this or has got a new job, and your brain started giving you that self talk. यार तू भी तो हो सकती थी इसमें, just because you took a break, just because you took a break for family, or you are not at that place. Okay, this happens. Okay, now to change the whole scenario, visualization बहुत help करता है. Visualization is nothing but just closing your eyes every morning. जनरली हम मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं और हम अपना फ़ोन उठा लेते हैं और वी जस्ट स्टार्ट स्क्रॉलिंग द इंस्टाग्राम रील्स एंड एवरीथिंग और मे बी लिंक्डइन. But I would suggest you, in the morning when you wake up, just close your eyes every morning and visualize your comeback. Visualize it. And what to visualize then? Visualize that you are walking in the boardroom, you are meeting people, that too confidently, or maybe your phone is ringing with a offer. ठीक है, आपको कॉल्स आ रही हैं बहुत. एंड you can visualize your attire, you going to office, anything related to your comeback which you think that somewhere I deserve this. And this is not like daydreaming, this is not at all, it is actually a mental rehearsal and there is a science behind it. न्यूरोसाइंस कहती है कि इट इज़ लाइक आप अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में उसको फिट कर रहे हो. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक it's not a new practice. Athletes, sports players, CEOs, all the celebrities, they do this. And now you will have to do this as well. Visualization is that powerful too. Now, coming to the third one, which is the power poses and positive self talk. Everybody do the positive or do the self talks particularly, and for me, it's like when I go out alone and when I'm driving, a lot of self talk I do. Like I just think and I talk to myself about my coaching, about how should I upskill and how should I help my students get the right insight so that they achieve their goals. And all the ideas come up a lot. Okay. And similarly, when you are in a career gap, okay, and you should also do a positive self talk. Now, in Indian culture, especially women, अगर हम पुराने टाइम में बात करें, हमारे बूढ़े और हमारे बड़े लोग कहते हैं कि लड़कियों की आवाज़ धीरे होनी चाहिए और ऐसे बैठना है, ऐसे नहीं बैठना है, ऑल दैट स्टफ. बट you know what, your body language speaks to your brain, and when you sit confidently, it matters, it gives signal to your brain. Okay, so just open your shoulder up, ज़्यादा भी ऊपर नहीं करना है, but it has to be confident, not loopy like this, but has to be confident pose. Okay, and when you are in a confidence zone, because your shoulders are up, your chin is up, and you feel like I am a superwoman, you already are. Okay, then you need to say something, you need to say that I'm deserving, I'm capable, and I am valuable. Okay, and I'm coming back. Okay, so do this before interviews, before the networking calls, even before anything. आप सुबह उठे हो और आप अपना ये डायलॉग अपने आप से मेंटेन करो, बिकॉज दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट. अपने आप से बात करना और दैट टू पॉजिटिव बहुत मैटर करता है. नाउ ये तो सब हो गया हमारा माइंड सेट रिवायरिंग. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट समथिंग रियल, विच इज learning one new skill every week. Okay, now um, you have been into so many WhatsApp group or professionals ka when people say, or people in your network say that I just finished this course, or sometimes they don't say but they post on LinkedIn, and you feel like, oh God, I'm outdated, I'm rusted, and that feeling comes that यार मैं भी कर सकती हूँ, but I'm not sure which course to do. Okay, but then of course you can research on your passion and you can upskill on the similar course. Okay, and while I would say that, people are learning a lot on AI and data analytics and machine learning, or these are the trend, but don't follow the trend, follow your passion first. Okay, and now coming back to when you feel that people are doing so many courses and I'm like falling behind, I'm not, I am rusted, and that feeling can break you, totally can break you. But you know what, most important thing is action. अगर आप एक्शन ही नहीं लोगे तो आप ब्रेक ही हो जाओगे ना. So always take a action, invest in yourself, learn new courses, pick one skill which is resonating with your passion. And maybe if you are a law person, or you are a company secretary, or you are a CA, or you are accountant, whatsoever you are, just upskill. अगर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में हो, देन यू कैन अपस्किल ऑन Canva. There are so many tools every day, they are coming so many tools, and AI is demanding, हर प्रोफेशन का डिमांड है वो. And just learn 15 minutes a day, not more than that. But by the end of the week you will know that I know something new, and that is a small win. That actually fuels you for more confidence, and that actually helped me. Okay, and now coming to the fifth point, which is surround yourself with five positive people. I always say this. There are people in around you who always create that society noises. कोई relatives हैं, बेटा market बहुत ख़राब है, job market बहुत ख़राब है, and sometimes they say, यार यू आर ऑलरेडी सेटल्ड, ये शादी हो चुकी है, अब क्या करना है, बच्चे करो, सेटल्ड है, पति कमा रहा है, एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. यू नो पीपल से दैट शादी के बाद कौन करियर पे ध्यान देता है और क्या करेगी करके. फिर कभी कहेंगे कि इतने साल का गैप हो गया, अब यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, एंड ऑल दैट हियरिंग यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इट. तो सबसे पहले क्या करो कि ये हियर करना बंद करो लोगों से. ओके, म्यूट दैट नॉइज. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, follow some great thoughtful leaders, who are, or maybe who can uplift you, who are the mentors, and join a community with like-minded people. Be around that people who always say that, who inspires you, or who always like what you are doing, and who can help you come back. Okay, जो ये माइंडसेट है ना, ये बहुत ज़्यादा फैलने वाला है. बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू चूज वाइजली द पीपल अराउंड यू, जिनके साथ आप गॉसिप करते हो, जिनके साथ आप उठते हो बैठते हो, वो लोग बहुत मैटर करते हैं आपकी लाइफ में. ओके, now let me tell you about one of my client, and she came to me having 6 months, more than 6 months ka gap tha. And because there is a gap, people feel lethargic, people feel lazy, and they start spending their time on cheap dopamine like Instagram, or maybe some of the time they come on the laptop or they search jobs. और कभी जोश इतना ज़्यादा होता है कि उस टाइम तो सर्च करते हैं, फिर ठंडे हो जाते हैं. यू नो यू डोंट नीड टू डू दैट. एक्शन टेकिंग लेना है तो लेना ही है, और रोज़ लेना है. और अगर आपकी जॉब नहीं है, सो थिंक लाइक कि आपको जॉब मिल गई है, एंड यू जस्ट स्टार्ट ड्रेसिंग अप एंड यू स्टार्ट सिटिंग ऑन द लैपटॉप जस्ट एज इफ जॉब मिल चुकी है. ठीक है, सो then you build your everything, your brand, your resume, your everything, and like my client did. So uh, first of all we worked on her mindset, which was very very important. And then I pushed her for more habit formations, morning में time से उठना, even if your job is not there, but at least wake up timely and work on your own self when you have got a pause. And so we together worked on her resume, worked on her LinkedIn optimization, and we started building her brand. And we started applying the job search strategies which I have. And then, before even we go further for LinkedIn content strategies, she got the offer. And that was a point when I felt like, wow, okay. And the way she communicated to me, I got the offer, I'm joining from third, and all that stuff. I just felt like so much gratitude that she got the job. But you know what? When you start building your morning routine and you start doing the visualization and everything and gratitude journaling, because that's the most important thing, okay? You feel like कुछ नहीं किया मैंने ज़िंदगी में, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, ओके? यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग ऑल दैट इमोशंस का आना बिल्कुल ज़रूरी है, और जो आ रहे हैं आने दो, but then don't suppress it, okay? And like I said, that she cracked the interview, and now she's leading a 10-member team, and that's a top mobile company. And her secret was not exactly the skills, not exactly the luck, जो हम बोलते हैं. Her secret was she chose confidence over fear. Okay, so confidence बहुत मैटर करता है. It is a system जो आप अपने माइंड को फीड करते हो, हाउ यू डू द सेल्फ टॉक, हाउ यू सराउंड योर सेल्फ विद, एंड यू डोंट नीड द वर्ड टू अप्रूव यू. कोई वैलिडेशन नहीं चाहिए हमें. सबसे पहले हमें अपने ऊपर बिलीव करना है. अगर आप गाइडेंस के लिए देख रहे हो, बिकॉज सिस्टम सक्सीड ह्यूमंस फेल, देन आई एम हियर, ज्वाइन माई फ्री मास्टर क्लास, एंड your career comeback is very much possible, but if you follow a system, okay? And I'm waiting for you to join my free webinar, and I'll see you there.